So here's the Instagram page if you want to go check it out. Wow, Jaguar looks wild.
Can you pronounce his name?
Andoni Bestarica Artista. That's his thing. He goes in the sand. It's his whole deal. Oh, play one of the videos as well. Maybe he's going to give us some angles on the crocodile or the hippo. Oh, it's just a slideshow.
How did they get the sand a different color?
Spray paint?
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't know. I'm just guessing. This is one of those things where you get started down a path. You make one. See, that one doesn't look dead because alligators sort of sit like that.
Yeah.
This is one of those ones where you make one and it's small and you're like, oh, that's pretty cool. And then you keep. Some of those look a little more like loungy and less dead.
Uh-huh.
Anyway. The cat, that one is the most dead.
It's just flopped over.
But anyway, and then all of a sudden you just get bigger and bigger with it and you get carried away with it. And next thing you know.
Yeah, you got to appreciate something like this. All the hard work that goes into it, and it's temporary. It's not going to last forever. A couple weeks at best.
I don't even know about that.
And then it starts drying out.
I'm thinking more of just rain coming and washing it away.
Yeah. But, I don't know. This kind of art is really cool. Just temporary art.
Somebody here in the chat says he actually kills these animals. And then just pour sand over top of them.
They're convincing. Yeah. Look at the mermaid.
Whoa. Easy, Will.
Oh, jeez.
Easy over here.
Wow, he's done a lot of them, eh? This video doesn't...
Will, can you cut this off, dude? What are you doing here, man?
Giant hand.
Jeez, dude. Now our thing is blocked. Like, Jesus, man.
Go check out the Instagram page.
All right, it's time to go offset our carbon.